Go to solution. I'm trying to build the solution. Okay, in parallel, let's go to solution, create a folder. Okay, it is not allowing me to change until the build completes. Yeah, build completed. Go here, rename, types, type models. Okay. Okay, in this, add a class type model. Okay, everybody clear? First step, I created a model. Now, go to my repository. In this repository, I create a new item, class, I say type repository. Okay, everybody clear? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Am I
Okay.
doing right or wrong? Here, I need to use what I need to use here. Can anyone tell me? Clear? I have to pass this or not? I have to pass the repository. Okay, this is how I have to do. Let me confirm. No, not required. Simply use a DbContext. And then you have to use
Public class.
clear. Okay, you got it or not? Say yes or no. Vivek, Kashok, everybody.
Yes, sir.
This is how we have to implement. And then This is how we have to implement the table. Laptops, tabs, and everything, we got it. Clear, ma? So I added the record, I added the model builder entity, I added the primary key and everything. Now, what I want to do here, to bring a object, connection string object, DbContext object, we need to do what? In the Solution Explorer, under a Program.cs file,
App setting or data.
no, it is already there, app setting. Database is already there. Only
Okay.
thing is you have to create a IOC for the type repository class. You added a brand repository, right? Similar fashion, create object for IOC type repository. Okay. And then register in the division injection. Builder. Make sense?
Yeah.
So I did it. Now what I need to do? Go to my service project. In the service project, no, before service project, go to my repository model. Here, I have a service contract where add new item, select an interface. I type service. Do we need to use
Mention
it?
method.
Yeah.
You need to mention method.
What method I need to mention? List type model. Get all types. Okay. Now I created a service. So what I need to do? I need to implement this service in service class. Here, add new item, create a class called type service. Type service.
Implement iService.
Yeah, coming. Public. I try to use I type service. Okay, you got the type service. Now here, CTOR,
Constructor.
what constructor I have to pass?
DbContext.
DbContext
Underscore. Base option.
No, not required. Sorry. Type repository. To take this type repository. So what you need to do?
Private read only.
Yeah. Why only Ashok is speaking, others are not speaking? You are not interested? Come on, guys. Got it? Now you got the repository. Let's build the project. Done. Now go to your type repository. here CTOR. Okay, keep this here. Public DBSet clear.
Table name is types.
Coming, just a second.
Okay.
Okay. Why DBSet is not working?
Yes, should be caps.
Hmm?
Yes, should be capital.
Okay, done. Now here DbContext option type repository option base. Clear? So you keep this. Now you have a model ready. You have a repository ready. Now what I need to do in the program.cs file, do you need to create instance for the type service? Do I need to create instance for the type service? Say yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yes.
So in the program.cs file, I'm injecting a type service. Injected. I created an object for the type service. I created a repository, everything. Now go to your type service. What you need to do here? List
Underscore
type model is equal to this. Okay. Simply say return types. Clear my point? Always a best practice use async here.
Wait.
No, don't need this. Okay. So you got it. Now your service is having a data. Now what you need to do? Do we need to build a controller? Do we need to build a controller for this?
Controller we need to create.
Yeah. So what you need to do? Right click, add controller,
Type controller.
type controller. Now you got the action method. So do I need to inject object for a type service?
HTTP get.
No. Okay, you got the types?
Yes, sir.
Now, for this, you need to create a view. You see, when you create, it create a folder in the view. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your type index is created. Now, what I'm going to do here,
At the rate
go to
model.
simply what I need to do, take a brand, go to index.cs HTML, open, copy everything, paste here. And then here, you simply change
Type model.
type model. So here,
Catalog model dot models.
got it, you got the model. There, nothing has been issued. No change at all. Everything is available. Okay. Only thing is the object what you are passing will be changed. Instead of brand, you change type. Okay. Your video is also ready. Now, save this. Go to brand controller. A small change you need to do. To test this, you need to change a small stuff. Go to brand controller. Here, you say brand. Okay, route will be brand. Because I don't want to test the brand, so I'm going to test the controller of type. So here you say root that's all ma. Ah, everybody clear or confusing? Varsha,
Yes, sir.
is it confusing?
Little bit.
Little bit. Whatever we did everything very fast. That's it. See, I will show you. First, what we did, we created a model. Varsha,
Yeah.
we created a model with the type. And then what we did in the repository, model repository, what we did, we created a type model DBSet. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And then on model creating, you are created a table of name types.
Yeah.
And then you are having a ID field of primary foreign key
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
for the table. And then we are adding the data to the table. Am I right?
Yeah.
Once we done that, we need to bring a connection string. For that, we have a type repository option where we are sending the connection string here. To build this connection string in the program.cs file, we are adding a type repository here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How we did for the brand repository, we did for the type repository, correct?
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Now, go to your type service. There, you are passing the type repository object. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Varsha,
Yes, sir.
Ubaid, you understand, right? Get
Yes,
all
yes.
type, you are getting the type repository model and everything. Finally, we are building the clean solution. We are trying to execute the project. it will throw error because it won't identify a table. We need to do one more step. What it is saying, can you read? Argument type is not available because we are not created a table in the stuff. So what you need to do? Clean, build the project, go to package manager console. You remember in the PowerShell we executed and created table in the database. Clear. Select your repository. Add. What is the command we have? Every time I'm missing. Yeah. Add hyphen migration. I said type DB.
Context parameter.
So here the problem is you have to specify
Another name.
context. What context? Type repository. Now you see the migration as a type. Mobile, laptop, tab, everything is there. A new migration file is created or not?
So simply we used to create add migration and we just provided a simple name. And why we need this minus underscore context and repository map?
Because I have two repository classes, brand repository and type repository. Which one I need to take? Brand is an independent repository, type is an independent repository, right? So each repository will connect with a table, individual table. So what I'm doing here, I'm telling you consider type repository because brand repository already created. Now what do you need to do? Update hyphen database types DB. Here also you have to specify hyphen context types
repository
type repository. See everything added.
Yes.
Now go to your server explorer. You see there is a types. You're seeing it at types or not? View data. You see the tables are created or not?
Right.
Tablet, laptop, mobile. Okay. Now go to type controller, put a breakpoint, run the project. Okay. Understand? I made my constructor as private. See, you are hitting the DB. Got the type, delete, edit, everything is completed, ma. Say yes or no.
Right.
But there is a small UI change need to be happen. You should clear here type details, new type. Okay. So what I will do?
HTML.
I simply change. Save all, run the project. Come on. So this is for a brand detail. Close this. This one you need to change. Okay. Type details. Type details. New type. 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 Everything is same. No change at all. Got it?
Right.
Any change happen? Varsha, Akshay, Ubayat, Vivek, Ashok. Any change happened? I want answer from everybody.
We just changed the HTML.
So how much time it took for us?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, we created a concrete layer, right? Now we need to complete delete, edit, and create in another 30 minutes. Very simple. What you need to do, first let's implement delete as quick as possible. Go here, you change into, instead of brand, you are going to change into type controller. Agreed? Because you are going to call a type controller. Save. Now go to type controller, close the repository, and close this DB also. Okay. Then public iaction delete view redirect to action of index. Here I need to get a delete
View
related
ID.
parameter. Okay, so for that, what? Yeah, you are going to give your UID ID. So here, what you need to do? Route of
HTTP
delete, and you pass the parameter of ID. Here, you need to pass HTTP delete. Done. Now, here, what I will say. Before I have to come here, what I need to do in the type repository?
first or default
Void
ID.
delete type of UID. Here, the type service implement interface. Now, what you need to do? You need to check if ID equal to UID empty, throw invalid ID. And then what you will do? Type repository dot types dot. No, don't do this. First, you need to get the object. Okay, so what you will do? Type model type of first or default. Am I right? And then we'll check the null. If type null throw okay, type not found, and then you pass underscore type repository dot remove underscore type repository dot
Remove.
save changes. Okay, you build a repository ma here.
Yes.
This one has a problem. Actually, this is not this one. You have to use where, then you have to use dot first or default. Okay. Why ma? This is correct only, right? Okay,
Yeah, this is
got it.
Hello, operator.
Got it. So what do you need to do? You should have null. Okay. See, everything is completed. Now index is hitting. Your type controller is calling. So what do you need to do here? Underscore type service delete of ID. That's all. Now save it, put a breakpoint, run the project. Hold on a second. I have one question. Yeah, we created. Okay, fine. Execute. Click on delete. Why not happen?
check the source. Check the source.
One second. Okay. No need this. No need this. It is eating. See, it is an exception. Everything is deleted. So you got the one record. Now you need to
Yes.
click on create new tab. So what do you need to do?
Public IAction create type.
Public IAction result create. Return view. Okay. Here you simply say route
HTTP post.
HTTP get.
Post.
Post only when you posting the data. Route of create. Okay. Now right click, add view, empty. You say here create. Copy entire stuff. Go to solution. Copy. Paste. Here you need to create a add type request model. So here in the model,
Type request button.
create a class add type request
Request
model. Okay. Remove.
Public.
So what do you need to do? Public string name.
ID.
Okay. Now here add type. It is not coming. So what do you need to do? You need to build your model. Because you have added a new object, right? It should be referred. Now add type.
Why it is not coming?
Okay, this is not under a brand model. This is under a type models. Okay. Got it? Now here you simply say type, and here you simply say create type. In the form post, you simply pass name. Here you say type name. You say type. Sorry, not type. It should be name. Model name we need to give. Okay, done. Here you say type so that it will go back to the create. Here you have to say type. Once you've done that, what do you need to do? Go to your type controller. You need to have one more method, public iAction. This is the one we need to build. Okay. And then return redirect to action of index. Here, HTTP post create. Okay. Now put a breakpoint. Save all. Run. New type.
Hmm. Hmm.
Action.
What is the issue? See, this is the mismatch. So we need to give a naming convention. The naming should be type control, create type. Okay. It is not identifying which controller I need to access because having the same name of action method. Okay. So we can give like this. Copy this.
think action name we need to change to create types. Can you try that changing action name to create type?
Action name.
Action name to create type. Can you change?
Okay, understood.
No, that means that I action result create is there. So here. Can we try this?
Your action name and method name should be same. See? Okay. The problem is whatever the root name you are creating, your action method name should be same. So that is the problem. Okay. View name should be create type. So what do you need to do? Go to solution. Change this as got it? Got it or not?
Yes,
Say
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Akshay, Ashok, Vishal, Ubaid, Varsha. You all understand?
Yes, sir.
Varsha,
Yes.
Sir,
Varsha, you are not able to understand. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir, I understood.
sir, can you change back the name to create in method?
Who's that? No, you can't.
Sir, if we
You should
try,
have only one action method in the entire project. There is only one create.
No, sir, like it was before
If
na
you,
already.
this one you are telling,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
if you change, it will not work.
Sir, can we
This
try?
name and this name should be same.
Sir, earlier, but view was not there, na? Maybe
It was
because.
not created. It was not created. Because of the change, it is created. That is the reason I'm telling.
Okay.
Okay. Always you should maintain a uniqueness. Now go here. In the create, here you say type. Here you say type. Okay. Now build. And then go to your controller. Not before controller. What do you need to do? In the service, in the service contract, I need to import a method. What is that method, ma? Void create type of this. Okay, you should use this. Then go to your service implementation. Right click, quick action reference, implement interface. There, you need to implement the stuff here. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to write everything. I simply go to my brand service. Okay, I take create. I copy everything. Okay, and then I'm going to change the code according to the need of it. So first, what I need to do? Can anyone tell me first what I need to do? I simply say, hey model, done. Here I'm going to say name, add type request. Add type request model. Here also I'm going to use model dot name. Here I'm going to say type name. Here I'm going to say model dot name. And then this one will be your type model. Type model. So you are going to create a request. Type model. And then here you say model dot name. Okay. And then here, what repository we have to use? See, you got it everything? You got everything? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now build it. Run the project. Click a new type. You say brand is fridge. Fridge. Fridge is your type. Click. Now you got it. A model is containing a fridge. Wait, null is coming. Go to your create CSS_HTML. Yeah. You should say name. Okay. The problem is you should change your text here. Type models here. Add type model. Now here you should say name. You should say here type, and then here the create brand you should say type. Okay. Fine. Everything is perfect. Now in the index you have to say type. I say mobile. Create. I got the model with the mobile.
Right.
It is coming, but it is not adding. Why? You have to call a method type service.create type. You need to pass this object. Now run it. So new type mobile create. You see the model is having a mobile. Yes or no?
Yes.
Model equal to null. Model.name not equal to null. You are creating a model. Okay. And then
Save.
add it.
Yes.
Done. Varsha,
Yes, sir.
Vivek,
Yes.
Ubaid, Sayed.
Yes.
Now we have an edit option. We are already running time. So we'll do by tomorrow. Okay. So within 1 hour, we completed list, we completed delete, we completed create product. Agreed? When you delete, what will happen? Mobile is deleted. Again delete. My system should not affect anything. I can create n number of times with the record. Okay. Now go here. Try to create a mobile. Double entry. So we need to check this
Yes.
condition also. We will do this condition tomorrow. If the mobile is already available, mobile is already exist. We need to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we will do the edit. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You all
Thank you.
understand, right? Very
Yes.
clear,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
So, as a developer, if you understand one particular CRUD operation end to end, the rest of the CRUD operation in organization level, people will give 8 hours. For me, it will be taking only 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Clear my point?
Yes.
If you are clear with your flow of the data, if you are clear with your where to do what, by practicing, you can do in 1 hour. If you go to any interview, people ask me to create an interview test, something like that. Fat, you do it, you will close it. Clear my point?
Right.
Why I taken type specifically is, if you go to an interview, few product companies, they will ask you to show, demonstrate that code what you are going to write. Clear my point? So that is the reason I completed my brand, and then I made sure my type should be complete in 1 hour as a challenge. Is it a challenge for you?
Yes, sir.
So can you build this and send me by today in
Okay.
your laptops? Varsha, can you do that for me?
Okay, sir.
I want a video recorded. Okay, in mobile, you show me entire future, put it in our group.
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody, Vivek, for you also, you take the video, whatever I explained, you try to implement. First do brand, then do type, so that you will understand. So once you practice 2 times, it will be registered in your mind. Clear my point? My intention is that. Okay, I'm expecting the assignment by end of today or by tomorrow morning before the class. Everybody from you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.